So in this video, we're going to be looking at how we can create this geometric staircase. And this geometric staircase is formed from the same as a normal staircase, but we've altered it once we've got it drawn. So you can see this one here in plan view. It's actually curved on the outside, on the boundary. So these are the strings which are curved. And you can see the fronts of the risers and the fronts of the treads are also curved as well. So there's not a straight line on this staircase. So to draw this, first of all, I'm going to level 0, get rid of this existing one. And to start off with, we're just going to architecture, into stair, and we're just going to draw a straight flight like we would normally. So I'm just going to start at the bottom here, one way up, and that's my standard staircase. And again, if I just go into level 1 and then use the align tool, so that's AL on the keyboard, it's destination first, and then when I look in 3D, you can see that's my standard staircase, and you can see that it's not as impressive as the geometric one. So we're going to alter this existing staircase now. So we're going to level 0, click on the staircase itself, and then go to edit stairs. When I'm in this mode, I need to click on the staircase once more so it goes blue, and I can then in the top right hand side use this convert to sketch on the top right here. So click on that. We always get this dialog box, so just click close, ignore that, and I then want to click on edit sketch, which was next to the convert to sketch. So click on that one, and then when I zoom in, you can see that we can now alter all aspects of this existing staircase. So the green lines on the outside, they're boundary lines. We always need 2 of those. We can only have 2 of those. And then the black horizontal lines, these are our risers, and this central line down here is a stair path. We need all 3 components, and you can see those 3 components here: the boundary, which is the green, the riser, which is the black horizontal lines, and the stair path, which is this one that runs down the whole length of the stairs. So to start off with, then I need to get rid of these outside boundary lines. So I'm going to click on those and just hit delete, and I'm going to replace them with the curved lines that I want to use, as you saw in the original drawing. So I like to use the start end radius arc. I do need to click on boundary first, then click on start end radius, and then starting at the top, I'm now going to come out 75 degrees because that's how big I want this staircase to be, or how far I want to splay out. So you can see there I've got my radius arc at 75 degrees, and once I'm into there, I can now start playing around just by moving the cursor to see what kind of shape I want. To keep it formatted so it's the same for the other side, I'm just going to line it up with the end of the second last riser there. So you can see I'm just clicking to that one there, and then hit the escape key to stop drawing. And I'm going to do the same on the other side. So boundary, got this start end radius arc, start at the top, going to come out 75 degrees. Now, because it's measuring from the same point, that will actually be 105 degrees. And then again, linking it in with this second to last riser at the top there, click that, hit escape key twice to stop drawing. So I've now got these 2 boundaries coming out here, which looks quite nice. So now I need to start with the risers and the Frontsies risers. So once again, I'm going to click on the riser button. So I'm actually start drawing a new riser. Again, I'm going to be using the start end radius, and with this, I'm now going to be using this first tread here, so I can keep this this first riser rather, so I can keep this same tread space. So what you can see when I come out of it, you can see the blue dotted line lines me up with that first riser. So I'm going to click onto there. I come across to the other side, click onto that, and then bring down, and that gives me my first riser. Yep, so that's where I want the first riser to actually start working from. Hit this key once, and again, just bring my boundaries back down to those there. So that's now going to get to there, and this existing riser, I need to get rid of that, and away it goes. So now I need to do is repeat this for each one, but rather than keep drawing out each one, I'm going to select this one here. I'm going to, on the top left hand side, go copy to clipboard. So I'm going to click on that, and then in the paste on the little button below, just align to the same place, and then drag that up so it lines up with that one there, and paste again to the same place, and then just keep repeating this. You can see what I'm doing there. Just going to keep repeating this for each of the risers. If you don't want to watch me doing this, you can just fast forward until you see me stop doing this when I get to the top. Otherwise, it's a bit boring just watching me doing the same thing over and over again. A bit repetitive, but that's what we need to do. And just one more at the top there. Like so. Once I've done that, I now need to trim these ends. So again, nice easy way of doing that. Just click on each one, zoom into the area so it's a bit more accurate, and it usually just snaps. Can you see it just snaps to the green boundary line? And it's quite important you do get these fairly accurate and actually touching those lines, otherwise you can end up with gaps or little bits hanging over in the final drawing. Again, if you don't want to watch me keep doing this, you can fast forward, and once you've got the gist of what it is that you need to do. Because once you've done one side, you've guessed it, you have to do the other side. So let's just tidy that one up there because I missed it. And then once we've got those all cleaned up, looking nice, I now need to get rid of the original risers. So these ones here. So you can see on this one here, now I hit delete. Same this one, delete. Just deleting those all the way through, those existing straight ones. Like so. And once we've done that, we can now hit the green tick. And green tick again. Don't want to save that, thank you. And we can now see our staircase is there, but it's actually facing the wrong way. So when you get this, you can just click on the staircase itself. Let me go blue like that. Go edit stairs, and I can flip it. And you can now see I've just flipped it, so it's going the other way. Yep, so now I've got it going upstairs rather than coming back the other way again. Yeah, and again, green tick to finish off. Now, the thing we've got with this staircase is, can you see we've got these strings down the outside here? And I don't particularly like those. I like to get rid of those and keep it as an open staircase. So I haven't got these strings around the outside, so it's more of a cut string rather than a house string. So to do that, literally just click on the staircase itself. Where we've got this assembled stair private, just click on that. I like to go edit type and change it and duplicate it. Otherwise you're ending up changing the same one again, and you might want to call this a cut string. And then once we're in the cut string, we've now got these supports. So you can see the right support says there stringer closed, and we want it open. Same with the left support, stringer closed, and we want that one open. And once we've done that, click OK, and you can now see that they've disappeared. So those bits down the outside have disappeared. And that is how you create your geometric staircase, which I think looks a lot better than just a standard straight one. And you can play around with all sorts of different shapes. So when you're in the drawing mode, I just chose this nice, gentle, sweeping curve, but you can have pretty much any shape you wanted. And that's that.